What a beautiful day to visit the library. This book doesn't have a title. There are so many books here. What a special book. Interesting. A note? That's interesting. Golden stars? I wonder where they lead.
This feels like a fun treasure hunt. Knowledge grows when it is shared. I like that. Every great adventure begins with curiosity. That's a great clue.
Wow, I've never seen this reading room before. Look at this beautiful wooden box. A golden library card! Amazing!
Congratulations, Emma. You are now a member of the Secret Archives. You found the Secret Readers Club. This is where our real journey begins. Welcome, Emma, to the Grand Archive.